Life is a beautiful thing. You just gotta get through it. Yo, it's me. Nah, legends never die. Yo, I'm back to dip, diver, warrior, industry fighter, film producer, director, screenwriter, legendary rhymer. Congrats, I bring you a classic for the fans that support it. I give you props if you ain't stole it and you actually bought it. If not, purchase it today and own it. A brand new R-rated Rugged Man album. This is a historical moment. Hip-hop artists with 100% creative freedom. $1 million budgets and corporate endorsements. We don't need them. Anyone dissing, go listen to them industry puppet musicians. This for hip-hop heads. Everyone else, fuck your opinions. This ain't generic pop, novelty rap. I'm reigning supreme. You about to hear a level of skill you won't hear in the mainstream. This is writing rhymes in notebooks. It's venomous bars, boom bap beats, murderous scratching, beatboxing and dope hooks. Analog 2-inch real boom boxes and tape recorders. This ain't trippy emo hipster rapping, a girly acting skateboarders. This ain't about Hollywood fame and chart positions. It's about credibility of being one of the great technicians. No internet nerds, trend following critics or dick lickers. No fake image or gimmicks, just vivid pictures and lyrics. I'm not the most known, but commercial rappers can't compete. I make records for the shepherds and not for the sheep. Not impressed, you'll be impressed soon. Let's get it started like who Herc did in that Sedgwick Avenue rec room.